Good morning. Welcome to another Designer's Den. I'm Kelsey here at our Inglewood location with 4 other designers, and we're here to talk about lookbooks and some items that we put together for our favorites as far as trends and things go. So I'm going to start with talking about mine. I put together a lot of neutral tones. Love the natural look and bringing in a little bit of pops of color with greenery, using some of those green tones, but also staying very monochromatic, kind of brings in that bohemian vibe.
Ooh,
so,
trend.
yes, love it.
Good job.
So Doug, why don't you tell us about what you put together?
Sure. So for my lookbook, it's called Neutral Nest because this is that time of year that I really like to just go home and kind of nest and relax. There's so much going on. So Neutral Nest begins with this beautiful leather chaise sectional from Jackson. It's Denali, it's gray leather. Then the backdrop is the Avondale Entertainment Center. So everything is really compartmentalized in this space. And then the Calabar multi-rug is this beautiful textured rug that has both cool and warm, because I like warm and cool colors in my space, and this works equally well with grays and creams. So it's just a really beautiful, warm, cozy space for this time of year. That's my space. So let's talk about Ashley's. Ashley, what do you have for us?
So I chose all accessories for mine. I think accessories are a great way to transform your space and easily switch out the look in your room. One of my favorite pieces I picked out is the hand-painted skulls from Mexico. I'm gonna give that to my sister-in-law. She is a Spanish teacher, so that will be perfect, representing the Day of the Dead celebration. And Annie actually asked me yesterday, well, if she's gonna watch this, will she know that you're getting that for her? And it's like, it's cool. We go shopping together. She'll be like, do you want that for Christmas? I'm like, yep. Do you want me to wrap it? I'll wrap my own gifts, it's fine. So I'm really excited to give that to her. And then I think we have Sonia to talk about her space.
Yes, I'm so excited. I did an elegant entryway. My style tends to lean towards doing a lot of geometrics and architectural style, and I picked this really cool console to kind of fill this long entryway, and it has such style and architectural features with the geometric pattern on the front, and then I flanked it with these 2 mirrors, these 2 leaner mirrors, to kind of give it more of a grand appearance. I really like a little glam and sparkle, and to, you know, highlight this tempered glass art over it with this wonderful view of San Francisco Bridge. It's just beautiful, and just to give it a little bit more sparkle, some really fun lamps and some greenery to soften it, and some great upholstery because you want some seating at your entryway just in case you need to change your shoes or what have you. But I just love that problem solving of a long entryway and just really kind of glamorizing it and saying hello to my guest. Well, Annie, what about you? How's your lookbook?
So mine is a rustic, modern chic. I picked from our Yellowstone collection, inspired by the new Yellowstone show that everybody loves right now. The writing desk comes from our Yellowstone collection. It is a rustic wood. I also used the Calverson bedroom set. It's got the walnut look that goes right along with that writing desk. I added a little bit of pop of blue in our shaggy little rug and chair. And then of course, how can you have a rustic collection without a cow? So I used our great tempered glass to bring the whole collection right on in.
So thank you everybody for sharing your designer lookbooks. It was really fun to kind of talk about everybody's individual styles. If you are excited about the lookbooks as much as we are, you can check those out on afw.com, and we will see you next week. Bye.